We are going to make pineapple salsa first. So I have my ingredients with me. I have chopped tomatoes, I have chopped onions, and I have canned pineapple. I need a lemon and I need salt. So let's start. So in this empty bowl, first I'm going to add my chopped tomatoes. So this is my onion. Give them a mix. Now put this on one side. I'm going to take my pineapple slices. I'm going to chop them into smaller pieces. So I'm using 2 slices of pineapple in this. Put it on the side. See, this is how it is looking right now. After I put all these 3 things together, I'm just going to give it a mix with my fork nicely and crushing a bit so that the pineapple releases its juice also. So now next what I'm adding, almost a pinch and sprinkling it over. This is half a lemon. Okay, I'm going to squeeze it over it. So give it a stir again. What we'll do is, this juice from the pineapple can, this is the amount of juice I'm using right now. Small spoon. I'm sprinkling it over. And one more. This is our pineapple salsa. You can add bell pepper to it if you want for extra crunch and color. Okay? Bell pepper and fresh coriander. So next what we'll do is, we have our sabza seeds. So I'm going to soak them right now in water for 2 minutes. So next we'll move to our pineapple delight. For that, we have an empty mixer jar. So in this, I'm going to add a banana, peel the banana, and you need to chop it and add it to the mixer jar. Fine. So now here I have again 2 slices of pineapple with the pineapple juice. I am adding my 2 pineapple slices and the juice of the pineapple to the mixer. I'm going to add honey. Okay, I'm going to add little honey, not very too much because it is already sweetened with pineapple and banana. So I'm adding just little bit of honey. You can say half a teaspoon. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to give it a mix in the mixer. We are going to blend it. We blended it. Now let's take our sabza seeds. So just take a spoon of sabza seeds, add it to your glass, and then pour your pineapple delight. It is going to be thick, like a thick shake. Just give it a stir with your spoon. It's very thick. It's like a pineapple smoothie. And you can now taste it also. Both our things are ready, the salsa, the pineapple salsa and the pineapple delight. To make it even more healthier, you can even add crushed seeds to it, roasted and crushed pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. Alright,